Hi, it is the human operating system time. So it is just a few hours after I share the S model. I have already received many messages from our friends asking me how to use the S model to help them. And there are many friends asking about is this qigong proper? Is this meditation proper? All kinds of questions. So I make this short video. You can make use of the S model to help yourself. So this video is about how to use S model to help one's meditations or qigong practice. Now, in order to help oneself, one need to know where one want to go or to get. Okay, so ask oneself and write it down, please. Why do I want to practice meditations or qigong? Just write whatever it is. Okay, it doesn't matter. Whatever it is, you can just write down. And then also write down what do I want to achieve by practice meditations and qigong. And also write down what and how do I practice now to complete my goal. So if we write this down, it will be very clear what we want to do and why we want to do and how we are doing it. Okay, only that way we can find out and get result. Okay. Now, when you use the S model, it's actually pretty simple. Say, for example, if I have a goal of I want to rest to help improve health, increase daily energy and mind power, like better attention, awareness, then I would like to be in this state here, okay, in this state, so that I be able to achieve or accomplish to get to get result of my goal here, and by doing by knowing that, right away you know that you need to have the ability or training to get into the natural world, namely how to handle the physical, mind, and breathing, and know something about the energy. Okay, so you need that to get there. Okay, and the practice you practice has to have the process to get into the natural, get your goal. Okay, so you need this. You must know this. Okay, you must get trained on that. Now, if somebody say they want to say become a stream enterer or the enter stream, like in the Buddhism we talk about stream entering and so those things. And that is in this position here. Okay, so this is the first skandha. Okay, the form skandha. This is the location where the stream enterer. So one need to be able to get into the nature pretty deep. Okay, and so what needs is all those things. One need to know how to enter into the natural world. One need to know the transformations. Okay, how to do that. For example, if one say that, I want to practice anapanasati, then what the anapanasati has to do all this job. Okay, not just the name, sitting down, counting, breathing. You need to have the full-blown anapanasati. Then you can go enter the stream. Okay, and also you have to read the sutta, like the Diamond Sutra. Okay, then you can get there, or you can read the Srangama Sutta to get there. Okay, so you need the practice like anapanasati, and then you need to read understand the what is the stream entering from Diamond Sutra and the like Yoga Charabhumi, and then the Osrangama. Okay, or you can use different type of meditations if you don't use anapanasati, but you have to have this much understanding in order to get there. Okay? Now, if somebody want to be arhat, enlightenment, and get into this non-dual and so forth, okay, which is over here, the map into the S model here, then one better know that one need to know all these things. One be able to do it. One will have a practice which be able to support one to get this far, meaning one need to break all the 5 skandhas. Okay, so one need to be able to break all the 5 skandhas. Okay, so one needs something like Surangama. Surangama Sutta, okay, to get here. And of course one need teacher and so forth, and because you involve a lot of experience and so forth. So one need to read the sutra, understand the sutra, get a teacher who have gone through here. Now, you know, if this is 100 years ago, to get to this location, to get to the to this location, if this is 100 years ago, then I'm going to go for who? I'm going to go to visit a Grandmaster or Venerable Patriarch, Zen Patriarch Xu Yun in China, because he's the guy who get here, who's enlightened, verified enlightened in Chan or Zen Buddhism. You need to get him. Okay, you can read all his teaching and so forth, and get him to teach, guide, coach one. Okay, so that's how it has to be. Okay, depend on your goal, what you need, and then your goal, the people who teach you, to train you. Otherwise, we cannot stay in the intelligent worlds, stay in the intelligent worlds, and keeping hoping and have no idea what we want to do, or how to do it, or why, and so forth. Okay. So this is how you use the S model. I hope that this is clear for you. So really, after you answer your question here, you go to the S model, and then as I have shown you the three goal, 1, 2, 3 goal. You look at it, and you can kind of find out your location where you want to go. Okay. And if you have any question, message me in Facebook, or in this under this YouTube, or in my blog. Okay, I'm here to help if I can. Okay, if I can, because I'm not Buddha, but I'll try to help as much as possible, so that you don't waste your time and you can get result. Because everybody's goals and wish and hope is important. Okay, and we are here to help each other.